Hello, everybody. Welcome to the course. This is English C 1001. It used to be 103, but now it's 1001. And it's a course in argumentative or persuasive writing. Many of you will be new to this kind of writing in what we used to call 101 or C 1000. The kind of writing you do is mostly explanatory or expository. It's as if we asked you to restate facts or summarize things, and this course is totally different, and I need to stress this here on day one. This is about persuasion. It's about using tricks, phrasing, emotional wording, ethos, pathos, and logos, and you'll learn about those in the context of the course, to convince a reader that your opinion is correct. Now, there are no correct opinions in the cosmic sense, right? I'm not looking for right or wrong, but if I ask you, all right, here are 3 flavors of ice cream, strawberry, chocolate, or vanilla, you would have the task of arguing which is the best flavor. And to do that, you're drawing on values, opinions, things that aren't factual. You might present some evidence, and you will present evidence in that context to back up your opinion. But this is not about being right or wrong. It's about being thorough in defending yourself. So, with that in mind, I just want to get started with what we're going to do here during week 1. And the most important thing that I can say right now is, regardless of the week, go through every single module element in order it's presented. Do not skip over anything. If you're tired, if you want to go directly to assignments or discussions, you're going to fail. It's just that simple. This is scaffolded. Things are built upon one another so that you understand what is involved in writing an argument, all of the elements in writing an argument, all of the structures, all of the tricks, etc. Now, in week 1, this is more or less a get to know you kind of week, right? As people add and drop and that kind of thing. I want you to read our welcome letter and then move on to our RSI statement. The RSI stands for regular substantive interaction and deals with how I'm going to interact with you during this online course. A timeline, which usually will give you a structure about how you might handle particular assignments or what you might do on a given day during the week. Some information about me. Our grading policy about late submissions and plagiarism guidelines. So go through those. You will understand exactly how I grade you and exactly what kind of points you need in order to pass the course. There's information about student services. Everything is in there, everything from the Pirates Pantry to counseling, and I want you to know all of it. Some Canvas tips, my office hours and contact information. My formal office hours are on Friday afternoons, but you can meet me with any time. I have put my phone number into the syllabus quiz, and I want you just to put it in your phone, and when you're ready to meet with me, you'll just text me and say, I would like to meet with you, and we'll set up a time. I'm 2 hours ahead of you, so let's just say no later than about 6 p.m. California time would I want to meet with you, because it'd be 8 p.m. out here. I also have a liquid syllabus, so you can see the course objectives and details, a regular syllabus, and then also during this first week, I would like you to complete this introductory discussion, which is a get to know you. It's just express something about yourself through photos. And then finally, take the syllabus quiz by Friday at 8 p.m. when it's due. If you want to get a look ahead at week 2 also, I've given you some sample student essays that will help you write your essay that will be due in week 2. We'll talk more about the class in an announcement that I'm going to give, in an element in a page that I'm going to put in the module. But for now, let's just take the basics away from this. Make sure you go through every module in order it's presented. Please, 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 please. It's so important. And reach out to me if you have any questions. All right, that's it for now.